Hi, my name is Johnny, and today I'll be doing an overview of our connectors at SharpCloud. The screen you're looking at right now is our connector management page. But what are connectors? Connectors are tools that allow us to plug into your data sources automatically and scrape the data to be pulled back into SharpCloud. You configure them once, and then you're able to set them to run as often as you like. You can see we've got a number of data sources that we cover, including Excel, Power BI, and databases. We cover over 200 data sources through our partner CData, and so if there's a source you're particularly interested in, there's a good chance we cover it.